20 Asterisk advisories landed on June 25. If you sorted by CVSS and started patching from the top, you put the most dangerous one at the bottom of your queue. The one that should scare you was never scored at all. CVE 2026-57191 is an unbounded scanf in res pjsip pub sub. No authentication. No credentials. One crafted packet and every SIP endpoint, trunk, and registration stops working until someone restarts Asterisk. The full triage with the patch table is on VoIP School. Here's why your CVSS sort buried it. Most of the 20 are in code you are not running. Chan 00 H323 for H323 signaling. Chan Unisteam for Unisteam phones. Res XMPP app SMS. Codec 2 cell PGSQL. A modern PJ SIP deployment does not load these. Do not spend a day patching a Stack Overflow in an H323 channel driver you never compiled. Here is where the CVSS column actively misleads. CVE 2026-57187 is rated high. It is a heap use after free in PJSIP TCP handling. But the advisory states its own precondition. It reproduces only with address sanitizer enabled, a development tool never used in production. If your Asterisk was not built with ASAN, this bug does not reproduce. Now consider CVE 226-57193 rated medium. LDAP filter injection, unauthenticated information disclosure. The medium is more dangerous than the high. The severity label is not the risk label. The precondition is: tumor reach you only if you run ARI. CVE 2026-57202 and CVE 2026-57200 both need three things. The HTTP server enabled. The attacker can reach it. And valid read-only ARI credentials. If you wired a voice agent to Asterisk, you did all three. Read-only is not a boundary for these bugs. 57202 bypasses live dangerously and writes files. 57200 loads arbitrary module paths. The credential you gave your agent is the credential these bugs exploit. 4 advisories reach a PJ-SIP deployment. Patch 57191 first, because it is unauthenticated and takes everything down. Then the ARI pair, because your voice agent deployment turned the defaults into exposure. Then 57185, because your trunk peers are your authentication boundary. The fixed versions are 2020.1, 2112.3, 2210.1, and 2341. For certified Asterisk, 20.7 Cert 11 and 22.8 Cert 3. The CVSS column is not a triage tool. It is a sorting accident. The full write-up with the version table, the compensating controls, and the decision tree for all 20 is on VoIP School. Go read it before you patch.